Good morning and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to be going through our unboxing of our new LED UV light. So stay tuned and let's watch what's in the box. So as you'll see, when we open up our box, I'm just going to remove that tab, open up our lid, to remove our light. Now inside we have got the adapter or your plug to set up your light. I'm just going to plug that in to our power source, remove my light from the box, and I'm going to plug in the adapter to the back of the unit. And when it is turned on, it's automatically, the LED light is going to display, and it's going to display as all zeros. Now, some of the features with our light, it has got a removable base plate. So you can slide that base plate out, or as we prefer to use it, with the base plate in. Now, you'll see with some of the timing options, you've got your timer buttons on the top. So you've either got a 10-second, a 30-second, 60-second, and your low heat mode and a 99-second option. So when you do press your buttons for your timer, it's automatically going to come straight on and count down from that time. If you're wanting to do any flash curing, whether it's some gels, you're wanting to do a flash cure, you have got your 10-second option. So when you turn that button on, it's automatically going to come straight on. It's going to be counting down from 10 seconds, and once that 10 seconds has finished, it will automatically turn off. You've then got your 30-second option. So this will be for curing any of your manicure products or your gel paints. So again, once you turn that button on, your light will automatically start running, and it's going to start to count down from 30 seconds. Once you hit 0, it will automatically turn off. So as you can see, we've nearly counted down that entire time now, and that light will automatically turn off. So if you're doing or wanting to cure any go time products, mission control, or any of your top coats, you will hit the 60-second option. Again, it automatically counts down your time from 60 seconds. Now, if you want to stop your gel light completely, again, you just press that same timer button and it will automatically turn off. Now, one really great feature that we have got is a power mode. So if you're wanting to do some synergy gel application, and if you're doing a reverse application, you will have a large bead on your nail. Now, sometimes you could have a heat spike occur when you're doing this. So what we like to do is just a half power cure. So when we turn our half power button on, it's now going to count up from 0. It will do the first 30 seconds at a low power option. After 30 seconds and then to the 60-second mark, it will then increase the output of power, and then from 60 seconds right up until 99 seconds, you will get a higher increment of power. So it will automatically cure that little bit light, that little bit brighter, just for when you're doing some of your synergy gel applications, or if you're doing a reverse application. Again, if you're wanting to stop curing and have your gel light stop, again, you can just pause and you can stop by pressing that same button again, and it will just go back to 0 as your option. So if you're wanting to use that base plate or not, it is very easy. That just slides out, and then you can place your light straight over your customer's hand, however you do wish to use it. So We're going to be doing a gel application in our next video. We will do a French nail, so you'll see exactly how we use our gel light. So that, everybody, is what you get in your box with your new UV light, and that's how you put it all together, including the functions. So stay tuned for when I'm going to be using this light, doing my reverse application French nail. Thanks, everyone.